You're faced with a problem. Your PC takes a long time to start up or reboot. Here is how to fix it quickly. Proceed to the search bar and now I'm going to type Task Manager and click on Task Manager. On the left side here, we have all these options. I'm going to select this one right here. Click on Startup Apps. So here we have this list of some apps that are running on this computer. On this list, go right here to Status. We have this app right here. When it's enabled, it means whenever you restart your computer, this app automatically starts running on the background. Okay, so right click on this and select Disable. I'm going to go to this one right here too. Disable it. Okay, now on this list, you're going to carefully look for any third-party app and disable it. And do not worry, this is not going to affect the performance of the app. Any Microsoft app, right, you just leave that enabled. Okay, you can enable any Microsoft app that is running on your computer. Spotify, just going to disable it. So after doing that, go ahead and restart your computer and hopefully that has solved your problem. For more videos like this, subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day. Peace out.